With the bus currently stuck, we said our sad goodbyes, hoping we'd see her again.
Oh, I might see her again.
We had no idea how easy or hard the bus would be to fix, but for now, the rest of the group was going to head to Yellowstone.
Bye! Oh my god. That's fucked up.
So, we are here, just on the edge of Yellowstone. Don't know about the bus still, so that's kind of nerve-wracking, but hopefully the others who stayed behind with it can get it to his shop. But I guess in the meantime, go see Yellowstone, which would be pretty gorgeous. So, straight out of the gate, there was wildlife everywhere. But it was the weird and unusual landscapes that really took us by surprise. And not to mention the geysers everywhere. But the stars of the show were the baby bison, also known as red dogs. Meanwhile, back at the bus,
So Joel, what's going on?
So today's a bad day. We're getting her towed. Hopefully we'll get it to the yard. It won't be something too bad. And hopefully it won't be so financially devastating that we can't carry on. So fingers crossed. Down a tent, down a bus. Today is not the best of days.
so they'd managed to actually find someone who could tow the bus, and they left her with an Allison transmission specialist.
Got the essentials.
The main squad found a camp spot by a river, but with no signal in the mountains, we could only hope the others were doing well. Everyone got ready to head to Yellowstone once again. The bus repair crew were making great time back towards us, but they stopped for a special occasion, as Sabella had never seen snow before.
Yay!
Then we got the surprising news that the bus was already fixed. We had a team meeting and figured we'd send 4 back through Wyoming to get the bus, and would then meet the rest of the team in Idaho. The bus is possibly fixed, which we are skeptical of because it seems like too easy a fix, but we're not Allison transmission specialists, so I have to take them on their word for now. So now, I'm going to leave Nick with our new bus. 3 of us plus Catalin are going to go get the old bus, and it's going to be a thing.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
So we reached the bus and got some weird news that we weren't expecting. So, back on the bus, about to take it for its test drive. Alison dealer is very confident, in fact certain, that we were previously given the wrong oil pan filter by O'Reilly's, I believe that was.
If there would be any active codes or inactive codes, anything logged,
Yeah.
it would be here.
And this is Alison DOC, so this is 100% accurate, so to
Yeah,
speak.
this is Allison.
And it's
showing
saying no errors.
no errors, no nothing.
If it is as simple as that, good. But at the same time, like, we could have done that ourselves in 1 hour. And this has taken days, been very expensive. The people here have been fantastic. Regards to small things, so avoidable. It's very frustrating. But yeah, let's see if she drives. Back on the road, there were still a few more things to fix. Yeah, so the screw holds the zip tie holds the mirror to the wood is held to the rusty metal by other two bits. Perfect! Onwards to Wyoming. How's the road?
Well, we're driving through beautiful Wyoming. It's absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. But sadly, the road isn't the smoothest, and we don't have the best suspension because it's a skoolie. So as you can see here, we're doing our best to compact. But I'm pretty sure after this, my hearing is either going to go out first, or we're going to have to go through and restructure everything. Re-bolt everything back in. At least a couple seconds of respite. Oh my god, it's so smooth. Okay,
I can hear my head.
back again.
And just as changeable as the roads was the weather. So far, touch you all the word, she's been great, but now we're going up there to Wiggly Way, and it's really going to be the test if the transmission is fixed and it is as simple as a filter. Obviously, it sucks if it's so simple, but we just wanted to make it at this stage. And nope. Check Translite came on, bus was stuck in second gear, bad times. So, some explaining. At this stage, we really thought the bus was dead. We couldn't fix it, we didn't have the budget to fix it, and if there's no bus trip, there's nothing to film, so we stopped filming. At this stage, coincidentally, our friend David flew out to see the bus, and he wanted us to give it one last try. I do not have the fucking words, but Stacey's mum is driving again, without the light. Please get to a fucking shop so we can check A, B, and C through fucking Z and be done with this, or even just scrap it at this point, because it's, yeah.
Shit.
Just leave it to well, it's everywhere.
Not the cheesecake!